Over there.
I go.
Okay, I think we want to get closer.
Yeah. I go.
Come on, everyone, get closer. So we can be debriefed on all the safety regulations.
Hello. You are welcome.
Welcome.
My name is Kweku Ejapon. I'm your tour guide for today. So I want everybody to keep quiet and listen to me very, very carefully.
Okay. Yeah, come on over. Come on over.
Before we proceed, I would like to give a brief history about the falls and also a good description about it. So I want everybody to keep quiet and listen very, very carefully. First of all, Kintampo Waterfalls has got its source from a nearby village called Kumpumetifin, which is 10 kilometers away from here. But this place was discovered or found in the 18th century by a roving hunter by the name Ankuma Treme, who also became the first paramount chief of this particular area. But then people didn't know we have a falls like this over here. So Ankuma, that's the hunter, used to visit here with his family members only during that time. And during the colonial rule, a British medical practitioner by the name Dr. Randall, who also worked at the Kintampo Health Center, so he also discovered, or he also got known of this place. So Dr. Randall decided to develop this place, or he decided to make this known to the whole world. And from his plan, this place was named after him, called Dr. Randall Waterfalls during the colonial rule. And shortly after independence, that's after the gaining of independence by the Republic of Ghana, we had our first president, that's Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, which it went under the control of him. So we decided to change the name again since we were no longer under the control of the British. And it was there that we had the name Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Waterfalls when Ghana gained independence. So Dr. Kwame Nkrumah also had some structures or buildings over here. But still the name remained, that's after the overthrow of him, that's in the year 1966. Still the name remained till the year 1992, which this place was discovered as a tourist site fully by the Ghana Tourist Board. And when you get to the premises of, and it was in the same year 1992 that we had the name Kintampo Waterfalls. And when you get to Kintampo Waterfalls, it has got 3 stages. That's stage 1, 2, and then 3. But you know, the 3rd stage is known to be the main falls. That's the waterfalls itself, where we are to go down, or where we are to descend 152 steps before you can see the water falling. Meaning going down, you are going to find it somehow easy, but climbing up, you have to gather some strength before you can climb up. We've also got stage 1, which is a lower fall. So when you get there, you could see that some holes has been pierced from the rock or perforated from the rocks, which is very nicely or beautiful. And when the water falls from the first stage, that's which is a lower fall, most of the water goes underground. That's all the water falling goes underground, deep beneath the ground, which will not be seen again unless we get to the 2nd stage, which is also a normal running stream water, where I think we are not to waste much time over there. And then from there we move to the main falls, that's the mighty waterfalls, where you can swim or where you can at least take a shower. Meaning the first one is not allowed to take a shower, the second one also is not allowed to do so, but the 3rd one is allowed. But you need to be very, very careful. That's extra careful, because at the base of the rock where the water falls is quite very, very slippery. So to prevent someone from getting injured, I would like you to be very, very compulsive, because the place is very, very slippery. So I think that's the most important thing you have to take notice of. And also nobody should panic, because you cannot be drawn by the waterfall. So thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
So Mutipi and Amami Brese.
Handle your business.
Yes.
Kweku Ejapon. So we will be taking a little from the second, and then we go to the main.
Thank you.
Right. So I say, Madam.